Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're talking about the Amazfit Verge announcement from Xiaomi. So this is the Amazfit Verge. It has been announced, and this is going to be the worthy successor to the two previous generation smartwatches from Amazfit, which would be the one you're seeing on screen now, the Amazfit Pace, which was kind of their first sport watch and smartwatch hybrid, and then of course the Amazfit Stratos, which was the upgrade to that, and that's the watch you're seeing on screen here, which included even more features. But now Xiaomi has announced the Amazfit Verge, which is a continuation of these two previous generation products. So we are getting a 5-day battery life along with an AMOLED display, so we're going to have improved resolution and screen quality. And then you are getting a Gorilla Glass 3 touchscreen on this, so that's also a great improvement. And we are also getting a brand new heart rate sensor, so that's something to take note of. Now, they are using the same companion app that you would have with the Pace or the Stratos. This is going to have GPS and GLONASS built in, similar to the Amazfit Stratos. It will also come preloaded with 11 sports profiles, so you should get a very similar activity tracking experience as the two previous generation watches. The watch will also come preloaded with a wide variety of watch faces, so you can kind of have a customized experience. And then it will also have a heart rate feature that does take your heart rate 24/7, according to their promotional materials, as well as the ability to detect for irregular heartbeat. The Amazfit Verge is also going to have NFC wireless payments, and then it will have removable watch straps with quick disconnect pins on it, so you will be able to swap out these bands for other watch straps. And then you'll notice also that there is a red action button on the side, and that's going to be, to start and stop activities, as well as you'll have the touchscreen to interface with. This will be compatible with both Android and iOS and will likely launch under the $200 price point. So the initial release is going to only have an interface that is in Chinese only. However, similar to what Amazfit has done in the past, or what Xiaomi has done in the past, they will likely release an international version that will be in English. So we'll be on the lookout for that, and along with the pricing, that's yet to be determined, but we'll know more soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.